Okay, so here I am at the Chicken Farm Art Center in San Angelo, and it's apparently a place where different practitioners, do their own stuff, and so have their studios. Though it doesn't look like there are many that are open right now. I only saw one that was doing weaving, but this is pretty cool stuff here, right? Again, it makes me think of some people I know back home. Let's see here. The sign says open, but no, it does not. Oh, well, it's not an entrance. Employees only. Okay, well, let's see here. What's over here? Okay. Okay. Originally founded as a place for artists to live and produce artwork, the old Chicken Farm Art Center flourished throughout the 70s and 80s and housed 22 studios and a bronze foundry in addition to Allen's Clay Studio. You guys can read the rest. Oh, yeah, these are, clay pieces, yeah. Okay, hello, Mr. Deer. Okay. Well, nothing's really open. Okay, is this place open? Spousal resting area. This says open. Let's see here. Good morning.
How are you?
Okay, how are you doing? There you go. Okay.